Subject Social Studies. Class 6. Lesson Plan, Civics. Lesson 7 Urban Administration. Q1. Who broke the street light? Ans. Rehana hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Q2. Specify what an urban local body found in a big city is called. Ans. Municipal corporation. Q3. Who has the responsibility of replacing the street light? Ans. Municipal corporation. Q4. Who decides where a park or a new hospital should go? Ans. Ward councillors. Q5. Who are responsible for preparing the budget for a city? Ans. Ward councillors are responsible for preparing the budget for a city. Q6. How is a ward councillor elected? Ans. The city is divided into different wards and ward councillors get elected. Q7. What was the result of plague in Surat? Ans. In Surat, several people lost their lives, and over 300,000 deserted the city. Q8. What do you understand by term, tax? Ans. A tax is a sum of money that people pay to the government for the services the government provides. Q9. What was Gangabai protesting about? Ans. Gangabai was protesting because garbage was not being collected in her locality. Q10. Why were children worried? Ans. Children were worried because they broke the street light and they may have to dish out money again from their pockets. Q11. All cities have municipal corporation. Comment. Ans. No, not all the cities have municipal corporations. Big cities have municipal corporation while smaller towns have municipal council. Q12. What did Gangabai do and why? Ans. Gangabai along with other women went to the ward councillor to protest against the situation of sanitation in the area. Q13. Why children went to Yasmin Khala's house? Ans. Children went to Yasmin Khala's house because they broke the street light and wanted to know whom did the lights on the streets belong to. Q14. Who was Yasmin Khala? Ans. Yasmin Khala was friend of Rehana's mother who had just retired from the municipal corporation. Q15. What did Gangabai say when the commissioner said that there were not enough trucks in the city? Ans. Gangabai smartly replied, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from the rich localities. Q16. Why do you think Gangabai decided to approach the ward councillor? Ans. Gangabai decided to approach the ward councillor because they are the ones who elected him. Q17. What could be the effects of garbage lying all over the streets? Ans. Garbage lying all over the streets attracts dogs, rats and flies. Also, people may get ill from the smell. Q18. What steps have been taken by Municipal Corporation of Surat for the control of plague? Ans. Municipal Corporation completely cleaned up the city. The grand makeover of the city made it one of the cleanest cities in India. Q19. List the types of taxes collected by Municipal Corporation. Ans. Municipal Corporation collects property tax, taxes for water and other services, taxes for education and other amenities and entertainment tax. Q20. Surat came in notice earlier in 1990s. Why? Ans. Surat came in notice earlier in 1990s because the city of Surat had a plague scare in 1994 and Surat was one of the dirtiest cities in India. Q21. Name the local governing body that replaces the broken street lights, collects the garbage, provides water supply and keeps the market clean. Ans. Municipal corporation of the city replaces the broken street lights, collects the garbage, provides water supply and keeps the market clean. Q22. Describe a city. Ans. A city is much bigger than a village and more spread out. A city has crowded markets, many buses and cars, water and electricity facilities, traffic control and hospitals. Q23. Who sent children to Yasmin Khala's house and why? Ans. Rehana's mother sent children to Yasmin Khala's house because Rehana's mother thought that she would be the best person to guide them as she had just got retired from the municipal corporation. Q24. The work in the city is divided into different departments. Write few departments of the municipal corporation. Ans. The work in the city is divided into different departments. So there is the water department, the garbage collection department, a department to look after gardens, another to look after roads. Q25. What was suggested by ward councillor to Gangabai? Ans. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all of the adults in the locality saying that garbage was not being collected. He suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them the next day might be a good idea. Q26. How does the municipal corporation get its money? Ans. The municipal corporation collects money in different ways. I collect property tax as well as taxes for water and other services. 2. Collect taxes for education and other amenities. 3. Collect entertainment tax such as tax on cinema tickets. Q27. Describe the role of ward councillors. Ans. All of the ward councillors meet and they make a budget and the money is spent according to this. The ward councillors try and ensure that the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. These decisions are then implemented by the administrative staff. Q28. Write a short note on subcontracting. Ans. In order to save money, the commissioners of several municipalities across the country had hired private contractors to collect and process garbage. This is called subcontracting. This means that the work that was earlier being done by government workers is now being done by a private company. Q29. Explain who is a municipal councillor. Ans. A municipal councillor is directly elected by the people and serves the people of his ward. He remains in touch with the key issues in his area, understands the crucial problems and monitor its development. He is the direct link between the council and the people. People can also bring their problems to him and he deals with the problem in a suitable way. Q30. How can we keep our surrounding clean? Ans. We can keep our surrounding clean by doing the following. I don't litter, throw waste in dustbin only. 2. Don't encourage spitting, immediately condemn people if found doing so. 3. Avoid usage of plastic covers, plastic disposables. 4. Teach others about cleanliness and sanitation. We separate dry waste and wet waste in your house, is the work of municipality workers. Q31. How the work of municipal corporation affects the life of a city dweller. Ans. Municipal corporation affects the life of a city dweller in the following ways. It takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, etc. 2. It keeps the streets and the market clean. 3. It ensures that diseases do not break out in the city.